That river looks like a mirror. This is a pit stop on our way from Glasgow to the Lake District. Some beautiful scenery. What could possibly go wrong? Well, these guys, a squadron of oyster catchers. They didn't approve of my filming of their Mirror River. So I returned the drone back to where I was and they chased me all the way. This kind of bird behaviour is called mobbing, and they do it to birds of prey. So they mistaken my drone for a bird of prey and they chased me back to the service station, where I quickly landed the drone. They probably got chicks or eggs out there somewhere. Or maybe they just really like that service station and don't want to share it. Getting tired of motorway driving, I found this amazing road. The A6. I mean, just look at it. Look at it! Roads like this just make you fall back in love with driving, not that motorway stuff. This is what pure driving is. Stunning scenery, hairpins that can appear out of nowhere, animals just randomly crossing the road, and normally a side of the road that just drops off to instant death. And that's what makes driving and exploring so much fun. Let's do it! Take down my pants. Not walk around sticking up my flag. Dog owners, do you do this every time you see a breed of dog that you used to have? Does it give you a little pinch of sadness? I used to have a border collie. Every time I see him on the street, I always think, oh, I miss him. He was a good boy. So the plan here is to walk from where we are staying in Bowness on Windermere, up to Windermere, which is here, and then on up to the mountain top of Orrest Head to see beautiful views of Windermere, the Lake District, and as this area is a military low-flying zone, maybe it's a jet! And here's Hayley admiring the art, whilst I admire the pasties. I'm so tall, I can hear the tourist information from the top deck of a double-decker bus. Fluffies! 2 fluffy doggies. If your pub has skeletons on the outside, you've piqued our interest. Let's have a look at the map. There's 2 routes to the top, an easy route or a hard route. Which one shall I pick? Should I flip a coin? Easy route or hard route? Nah, let's just do the hard route. Ooh, animals I might see. Oh, if there's any birds of prey up here. Okay, 2 choices, left for the hard route or left for the hard route. Okay, left it is. What's that? What's that? Huge. That looks like a thigh rubber. I can't run and thigh rubber. Don't make too much noise. Watch the camera, Hayley. You wouldn't catch me doing that. I'm now transfixed at looking at treetops, trying to identify that bird and hopefully get another sighting. What was it? We've stopped to look at some sheep, but I think the real reason is Hayley wants a rest. Onwards! Oh, watch the camera, Al. Oh, now I've done it.
No, you've been frame moments, please.
Just don't fall over there.
I should try not to. Have to go for the little people steps though.
Juice for the top. Juicy for the win. Where's the top? Up ahead, straight on for easy route or left for hard route. Hard route.
Oh, thank God. I'll send my neighbor when I get there.
Why are trees so low and things so prickly? Oh, where's Hayley gone? I do forget with my long legs, even the highest of steps isn't really a challenge to me.
A big one. Do you want to go around it? Oh, don't go backwards.
What do you normally find at the top of a mountain?
It's nice, steps this way. Go on, go this way. Go that way. Go that way. There's no steps this way.
Yep, a crowd and 2 school outings. What's that noise? What's that noise? What's Hayley pointing at? Did you see it? Did you see it? No? Okay, let me try this. Let me film myself while I'm filming a jet. Let's see if this works. This is me filming, and this is the result. Yay! I caught one. Get it in your bag. Oh, I've had a thought. I know what I can do. Watch this. Now, if I put the invisible selfie stick right in the middle of this compass, I'll know exactly where I am. I am on top of a mountain.
Free rental to take round Scotland.
What does the map say? You are on a mountain.
It's got to be accessible and down. Not going to make it down.
You okay?
Don't fight my toe hurts.
Oh. What, your toes hurt?
My calves.
So this silhouette of a mountain on the map means that over there is another mountain, but further away.
Son? Sure. We'll make a move back there. Easy route? Easy route. Want the easy route back?
I've now just got to climb up.
We're going to go up, back down. I like all angles. See what works. Move the camera around.
There's nothing interesting up my nose.
And it doesn't have to go for a nose shot, it could go for an eyelash shot. I don't know. See what works.
For some reason, you always seem to go for the nose. The in the face shot.
In the face shot. Such a tracking move, you know? It's a move. I'm not going to hit you in the face.
You sure?
I'm quite good at this, you know. I can do this and come around quickly. Forest head. Done.
Actually, I love the other one. Wasn't there a passion fruit one or
Passion
something?
Storm.
Yeah, I'll try that one.
Hi there, mate.
How are you doing?
Fantastic. Yep, just walking up that big hill. Now I want a smoothie.
Oh, sweet. One more second, I'll sort it out. Okay.
No, it's it. Right.
You all do this, don't lie. You go to a new restaurant and you look at the prices of the most expensive things and go, oh my, I shall stick with my tap water. The reward for today's expedition would have been a smoothie, but the machine broke, so it's coffees and complimentary lemon meringue pie. Now, just get this raspberry in your face. Oh. I'll get the hang of forks eventually. These ducklings showed no fear towards me. Possibly because I'm not human-shaped, and they mistook me for a tree. It's so cool when they hit the turbo button. It's like they're running on water. So much wildlife at the lakes. I love it. What will I see next? Ah, baby geese.
Please.
Yeah, nothing. Wow, that wasn't a goose. That was a typhoon. I've never seen this before. People are herding geese by kayak. Two dogs. One loves the water. The other, not so much. But his love of the ball takes over. Geronimo! Now it's time to return home. But we've had such a great time in the Lake District and just out exploring. The UK is a gorgeous place, if you have the weather. Gorgeous scenery and amazing wildlife. Now it's time to take the scenic route. Okay, is the scenic route straight ahead or right? Ooh, tractor. Okay, I'm lost.